Let's say you want to convert this video file, which is MP4 to MP3 file. To do this, open VLC Media Player. Go to the Media and select this Convert or Save option. Over here, find the video you want to convert. Click Convert Save. Choose where you want to save the converted file. Over here, Save as Type, select All, and add MP3 extension in the file name. Save it and click Start. Wait for a few moments depending on how big your video is, and after the process is finished, you can see that we have successfully converted MP4 to MP3 using VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching. Drop some comments below if you find this helpful, and have a nice day.